What is the purpose of init function in Python? The init function is called every time an object is created from a class. The init method lets the class initialize the object's attributes and serves no other purpose. It is only used within the class. The init method in Python is equivalent to the constructor concept in C++. And you know, constructors are used to initialize the object state. So here I have given an example. So we see here we have a class, that is car class, and then we have used the keyword def to define a function or method, that is init method. Okay, and the init method initializes two attributes, that is brand and color. Then we have created an object as C from car class, and we pass the arguments Maruti and white, okay, which corresponds to the respective parameter of the init method of the class car. The init method uses the keyword self to assign the values passed as arguments to the object attributes self.brand and self.color. We have also one more method, that is car details. Okay, there we are just printing car brand and car color. Okay, and how we are accessing that? We are accessing using the object, that is C. That's why we are writing C dot car details. Then what we will get as an output? Here we will get an output as car brand as Maruti and car color as white. So this is how the init function is used. Okay, basically the init function is called when an object is created. Okay, we will move to the next question. What is self in Python? We will learn about this question in our next video. Thank you.